Hi, my name is Jen Brodowski and I'm a kitchen and bath designer with Curtis Lumber. I've been designing since 2007. This homeowner has a colonial traditional style home and they were looking for a more updated version to match their home. They have 2 small children and they were looking for more efficiency with the layout of their design. One of the keys to making this kitchen more efficient was relocating the refrigerator over where the pantries were, getting more efficient pantry storage, and incorporating double ovens. One of the main objectives of this kitchen was more storage space. This was achieved by removing the soffits and using cabinets that extend to the ceiling. Merillat Masterpiece was the cabinet line used in this project. The perimeter of the kitchen was designed with Dove White paint on maple, and the island was designed with Midnight paint on maple. One of the great things about Merillat Masterpiece is the storage accessories that they have to offer. Some of the accessories that this customer used within their kitchen are the mixer pull-out shelf, the double trash, tray storage, spice pull-out, some drawers for their pots and pans, bakeware storage drawer, and the island has a cutlery divider and a bread drawer, as well as an overhang for seating on the back side for the children to sit at. There are also some decorative pilasters on the front of the island to tie in with the traditional style of the home. The countertop that was chosen was Cambria Sutherland. The Sutherland has some veining within it that is kind of a blue hue that pulled out some of the midnight in the island and the blue tile that the customer chose for the backsplash. Cambria is a good product because it's antimicrobial, it's completely smooth, it does not stain. In this day and age, we like to work smarter, not harder, so low maintenance is beneficial as well as it being American made. I really like how the bold use of blue makes this kitchen come to life. Homeowners should come to Curtis Lumber for their kitchen design because of the care and attentiveness and passion that each of the designers have. The main objective of any kitchen design is to meet the needs of the client. This design gives them the storage they need and a much more efficient layout. These homeowners love their new kitchen.